Hi, I'm Wade, and today we're going to be showing you Thoroughbred Diesel's CP4 Disaster Kit. Okay, you guys that have got LML and LGH Duramaxes, we have a disaster solution kit for you. So if you've run DEF through your fuel system and wiped your fuel system out, or you've had a CP4 come apart on you and go through the fuel system, you know that all of your high pressure injection components need to be replaced. And in today's light duty diesel world, most of you guys are doing CP3 conversions on these trucks. So what we wanted to do at Thoroughbred Diesel is we wanted to put together a disaster kit that got you all of the high side components that you needed, and then that way if you chose to do a CP3 conversion, you would be able to do so without us having to sell you a few extra components that wouldn't be needed. So we're going to show you what comes in the kit today. So again, this is the one I have here. This is our LML CP4 disaster kits. This fits your 11 to 16 trucks. If you guys have got cab chassis in the same year range, we have those for the LGHs as well. So inside of the LML kit, you get genuine Bosch fuel rails. Then they will have the secondary regulator and the fuel pressure sensor already installed and ready to go. You get your other rail for the Duramaxes. You get a genuine set of Bosch injectors, and with these aren't knockoff, Chinese knockoffs or anything. These are genuine Bosch injectors. All of your high side lines will be replaced. We give you all of the injector lines at all 8 injectors. In fact, a couple of the crossover lines come with this as well. Some of those won't be used if you do a CP3 conversion, but we did include those in the kit. And then where applicable, you've got your 9th injector line that comes in the kit as well. Then, and a lot of the CP4 full fuel system kits do not come with the return lines and regulators set up there. This comes with that in our kit. So this is everything that you're going to need to do a complete disaster conversion on your truck. If you decide that you want to do a CP3 conversion, this pairs very well with that. And I brought in from our friends at Fleece Performance. This is their CP3 conversion kit. Now we do have this comboed on our website with our disaster kit and the Fleece CP3 conversion kit as well, if you decide you'd like to go that way. We offer CP3 conversions from all of our great partners like Industrial Injection and S&S Diesel as well. So you can find those on the website if you decide to go that way. But this kit right here gives you options where you don't necessarily have to go back with the CP4. If you do decide to go back with the CP4, you are going to have to add some low pressure lines to this kit. But with our CP3 conversion kits, you get those lines already, and that's why we kind of remove those outside of this kit. So this is a really good option for you guys that are staring down the barrel of a big bill anyway. You want to save a little bit of money. You want to pay for things that you don't actually need, and that's what the Thoroughbred Diesel CP4 disaster kit for you Duramax guys is for. So if you have a question about this or any of your Duramax questions, just give us a call. And thanks for watching.